It's a little bit of a rough day for Wifey to be walking around like this. She better grab a seat before BOCA knocks her down. Welcome back, guys, to this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Where man and machine take on Mother Nature, typically at Haulover Inlet, but today we are visiting BOCA, and man, our captains are going to have a rough one as we step into the first round of the contest. But I say that, and man, these guys in this Mako are absolutely sending it, getting completely airborne, bouncing off these waves. Welcome to Team Send It, guys. I mean, this crew just nailed that throttle and is going to pound their way straight into BOCA and take a quick win for the boats here in the first round. But man, I did not expect to see that today. It is a rough day, as you're about to see as we step through the rest of these clips. Here in round 2, we've got a cobia stepping in the ring with a bow rider, and this is a terrible idea today. It is rough. And I mean, they've even got the dog in the bow of the boat as well. I don't like the looks of any of this. And Cap's kind of taking it slow. Our dog kind of goes down. The lady's trying to grab it and keep it under control. But man, this is just all a bad idea right here. As you can see as they roll out, things start getting pretty rough. I'm really quite surprised at this pace that they haven't stuffed the bow yet. It's kind of calmed down on them right here. But Cap, is he going to make the U-turn? It looks like it. They've had enough. He's just going to turn it around. It looks like the dog's on the floor now as well. And that's going to be a loss for the boats. I thought they might make it out. Even on that slow pace, I was skeptical. But no, Cap's going to turn it around. And BOCA will take a win in round 2. That's going to bring us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our contest, where we're going to feature a Sea Ray. And my man pulls his stuff back before he gets wet. But doesn't matter. You're getting wet anyway, bro. That's right. They'll stuff it. This crew, they were just doomed from the start. Being in a low freeboard Sea Ray, coming out slow, we knew it was going to happen, and they're going to take a loss for the boats here in the third round, and that's going to give BOCA an early 2-1 lead as we move into the fourth round of our contest, where Sea Ray is going to come in and try and get a chance at redemption, as we got a 250 SDX trying to make its way into BOCA. Cap right now is doing his best, trying to make sure he doesn't get overcome by a heavy following sea, keeping the bow high. He looks okay so far. BOCA's definitely pushing him around a little bit, but he does have to be careful. Wifey's in the bow. We definitely don't want to get her soaked either. But there we go. Now it looks like Cap's found his pace. He probably will be able to ride it in just like this the rest of the way. And yes, Cap looks good. He's going to clear this last wave and take a win for the boats here in the fourth round. And that will bring us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our contest. And who will take a win in this episode? Will it be the boats or BOCA Inlet? Let's go. Let's see who can pull it off. And here we go. We've got a Sea Chaser making its way in. And this crew's actually got the throttle pinned pretty solid for a big day like this. And we've got a bow rider. He looks like he's hanging on with everything he's got up there. Definitely looks like it's a little bit of a scary ride for him. But our captain's not going to let off this throttle. He's going to make him ride it out. And our crew's going to make it in without issue and take a win for the boats. And the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.